Back to my YouTube channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. Today I am back from a tutorial. So during my new video I am going to show you how to make easy DIY quilling ring. So let's get start with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting latest and upcoming videos of my channel. So let's get start with the procedure without any delay. So I will tell you how to make this easy quill ring with the quill flower, and it is totally paper made. So first step of ring is you have to take here half strip of 5 mm quilling strip of any color, and I have taken here the light blue shade color of the ring. So take here the quilling stick and start rolling it. From the stick and just hold this tight coil in your hand and just loosen it out. See, it's loosed. Now just using Fevicol stick the left portion like this. See, it is sticked completely. Now let it dry for some times. After that it will form a coil. Now just pinch it from the top and make here a teardrop shape like this. Same way I have created. Same way create here 6 teardrop shapes. After that we shall move to the second step. After that take here the piece of a cardboard and just take here the pencil and compass, and now draw here a circle of any radius, not too big but not too small also. See, now just cut it out. See, now we got here the shape of a circle after cutting. Now let's move to the third step, and now you have to take here the long quilling stick of 3 mm. Now just take the same color that the teardrop shape you have made. Now we will make a finger ring, means this ring, to insert in the flower through your fingers. So now just keep this quilling strip in your finger, this one finger, and just roll it one time and add glue to this portion and roll it over the starting. Now just keep on rolling. Take your any Fevicol bottle according to the size of your finger, and now just to make it thick and tight you have to keep on rolling this quilling strip on one another like this. Now using hot glue gun secure the end. Now let it dry for some time. Now take same another strip and just from anywhere add glue on to the top and just add it on here, and same way keep on rolling this accordingly. Now let it dry this ring completely for a while. To the that teardrop, now we will make here the flower. Now take here the hot glue gun and just start sticking these flower and now your finger ring is dried completely. Now add glue to its end and stick this quilled flower at the back. After that, take here the piece of paper and just cut out square from it and fold it into half like this. Now add glue gun to its back and take your this and flap it over it so that ring can be secured at a place, and cut out the extra coming out paper. After that, take here any stone or pearl and just add glue to its end and secure it in the center. See, both fingers are of my finger size, and see how beautiful they are looking. So you can also try these at your home and gift it to someone. They will like it most, and it is the best idea for the gifts to give it to your friend, sister, mother, or someone relative at your home. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I hope you all like the video. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.